Kinasuhan na po ng qualified human trafficking si Mayor Alice Go. This is a serious criminal offense, non-bailable po ito. Kaya ang burden of evidence required, napakataas. Proof beyond reasonable doubt. To indict Mayor Alice Go, there must be reasonable certainty of conviction. So ang crime na human trafficking, nakukumit if you recruit, transport, transfer persons for domestic employment, pero ang purpose mo talaga ay prostitution, sexual exploitation, slavery, forced labor. Tignan ninyo ang ebidensya against Mayor Alice Go. Papel, bill ng kuryente, letter of no objection, articles of incorporation. Itong mga dokumento na ito, hindi enough to commit the crime of human trafficking. There must be overt act. So itong kaso na ito, na final against her, mahina. With all due respect, mahina. Medyo pilit ho talaga. In fact, pag binasa ninyo yung complaint, aminado ang CIDG at ang PAOK-CC that there is no direct evidence of human trafficking against Mayor Alice Go. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.
Sir, ano nangyari? Nag-file na po kayo ng
What did you file?
Nag-file na po ako.
Dito sa preliminary investigation, aminado sila. There's no direct evidence. Bill ng kuryente ang ebidensya. Articles of incorporation. Letter of no objection. Human trafficking na ba yun? Walang kinalaman si Mayor Alice Go. Pilit na pilit yung ebidensya.
Sir, nag-file na po ng counter.
Hearing July 22, 2 p.m. Maraming salamat.
Nag-file ka raw.
July 22, 2 p.m. Magsapong-file kami.
Pupunta po si Mayor.
Wala pa nag-file
Pupunta
ni
po si
isa.
Mayor.
July 22.
Kayo sir, nag-file ba kayo ng extension sir?
July 22, nakaset kami lahat. 2 p.m. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Sasubmit kami.
Nasa po si Mayor ngayon, kasi ka mga kapatid.
Thank you. Tama na.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Kanino to?
So hindi kayo nag-request for extension